Hello guys, and welcome back to George Basics Crypto and Finance. In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to link your Greenlight card to your Cash App. First of all, you need to open your Cash App account, then click the profile icon in the top right. You need to scroll a little bit down and go to the linked banks. Right here, you need to click the plus icon, and on this page, you need to fill all of the necessary gaps. You need to enter your card information, your debit card number, card expiration date, CVV, zip code. And once you will fill these gaps, you need to click the green button in the bottom right, link card, and you will connect Greenlight Card to your Cash App account. So if you want to deposit money from this card to your Cash App, you need to go to the main page. You need to click the home or bank icon in the bottom left, then select add money, select add instantly, enter the amount of money you want to deposit, click continue, and choose Greenlight Card from the payment options, then finalize the transaction. That's all I want to show you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.